Hello and happy Saturday. So today's just going to be a quick unboxing. I actually have to run to brunch in about 20 minutes or so. So I'm going to open this, go do that, and then I'll edit and post this video, which is probably TMI. But anyways, I'm opening the Paper Box Mini for February, and the outer packaging is super cute this month. This is my Paper Box February Mini subscription, exactly what it is. You can see that. So if you are unfamiliar, if you haven't seen my past videos on my Paper Box, this is a personalized stationery subscription. And like I said, this is the mini version. They also have a grand version. So this one is only $10 and it includes 3 personalized notepads. Then the grand box is $28 per month, but I do have a code so you can try it for $10. I will leave my last video that I did on that down below in the description if you want to check it out. That one has more things in it, more personalized stationery like thank you cards, all this cute stuff. The February box was super adorable, so definitely check that out. And let's see what is inside. I hope you guys are having a good weekend. Let me know in the comment section if you do anything fun. I think it warmed up around the world. Here it's like super nice like always. I keep getting comments like, why are you in a tank top? Or like, I'm jealous you're in a tank top. It's because I live in Southwest Florida if you're unfamiliar. And oh my God, how freaking cute is this? So the notepads are all wrapped up in this little piece of paper. And then there's a card from the month that says, will you be our Valentine? Our life wouldn't be near as fun without you as part of it. I hope you know how important you are to us. XOXO, the Paper Box team. How sweet is that? They're so cute. All right, and then we have the 3 notepads underneath that card. And okay, I love these. I can see, oh wait, I'm ahead of myself. So this is the first one. Super cute. I make lists every single day of my life, seriously. And sorry, there's like children screaming outside. But you can see it's personalized, this kitty right there. Super cute. And there are a lot of pieces of paper in here. So I am super excited. Oh, they're like pretty thick too. Nice. And then this one I'm excited about because I'm trying to be healthier. This is, it says Kitty's Meal Planner on it and it has days of the week and then a shopping list. I'm so excited about this. Even just like keep track because I am really trying to be healthy. I'm kind of being bad, but it's the weekend, you know. I think I'm gonna try and be strict like Monday through Friday. So this would be great to plan it and then I can figure out my shopping list. Honestly, I'll probably like add stuff here and then put my list on a different list to bring to the grocery store, but that would be great to plan it so I can get like cook more and stop ordering pizza. Oh, I've been bad. I heard today's like National Pizza Day and I like want to use that excuse to order pizza again, but I'm gonna try really hard not to. But again, there's a decent amount of pages in here, so I'm super excited. This is such a good month. And then the last one and the biggest one is Kitty's Doodle Pad. This is super cute. I love all the hearts. Like I feel like I always doodle hearts if I doodle at all. And there's even more pages in this one. So yeah, maybe I'll like transfer my grocery list onto this. Oh, isn't this so cute? So each one has my name on it. So when you sign up, if you feel like gifting it, you can put someone else's name. They give you a little box, you write it in yourself, so you can pick the name that is personalized, and I love it. In the grand box, like my favorite part is they have cards and it says like made by Kitty and it's like signed by Kitty. Like it's just so cute. Like it makes it even like more, I just like that personal touch to it when I send cards to people. So there's that. I'm super excited about this one. I like this one too just because I'm a list maker and I can just use this the way I want to. You know, it doesn't say like meal plan or anything. I can use this in any way. Probably like my daily list that I do. One of these days I'm gonna check off everything on my list, but I haven't gotten there yet. But yeah, so this is $10. I am super excited to use these. I will leave the link below if you're interested. And before I go, I just want to remind you that I have 2 giveaways. One is ending tonight actually, so make sure you enter if you have not yet. The Pure Mystery Bag ends at 11:59 Eastern Standard Time tonight, so I will contact the winner tomorrow. I will leave a comment under your comment, so I'm just going to use a random comment picker, and then when I get the winner from that, I'm going to make sure they're subscribed and like the video and commented. Well, obviously they commented, but and make sure they follow all the rules, and then I will comment under your original comment if you followed all the rules and get back to me with your email so I can, get your address and all of that from you. And then I have my 2,000 subscriber giveaway. Why do I stumble across that word all the time? But that ends later this month, so I will leave that down below as well. Sorry to make this video super short, but this was actually a good one, a mini subscription, and I'm in a hurry, so I will post this later today, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.